morning, dears. Last day we have completed question number 1 and 2 from exercise 7.1. Look at question number 3. It says, find the 4 multiples of the following numbers laying between 30 and 70. Exercise 7.1. Question number 3. A. 7. We'll be writing multiples of 7. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 49, 63, 70. So 4 multiples of 7 between 30 and 70 are 35, 42, 49 and 63. Is it? Then you see 9, number D, 9. So multiples of 9 are 9, 18, 27, 4 multiples between 30 and 70 are 36, 45, 54 and 63. Is it? So like this we need to find question number 3, where we have to write the multiples, then afterward we have to find the 4 multiples which is between 30 and 70. Okay. Now here it says write first 5 even multiples of each of the numbers given below. Even multiple means we have to multiply the number with even number. Is it? As odd multiples, we were multiplying the given numbers with odd number 1, 3, 5, 7. Now even multiple means we need to multiply it with even numbers. So let us see. Question number 4, 1, 3. So even multiples, first 5 even multiples, is it? First 5 even multiples of 3 are, what it will be? 3 into 2, 3 into 4, 3 into 6, 3 into 8 and 3 into 10. Is it? We are multiplying with first 5 even numbers. Then it gives you 6, 12, 18, 24 and 30. Okay. Look at number D, 41. So first must mention these words clear. Even multiple of 45 are 41 are 41 into 2, 41 into 4, 41 into 6, 41 into 8, 41 into 10. So 42, 164, 246, 328, 410. So this is the way to write question number 4. Number 5 it says write 2 common multiples of the numbers given below. Dear, there are 2 options. Is it? I'll be teaching you both. After that, what is easy you can follow. The first option is 5a, 12 and 36. We'll find the multiples of both the numbers separately. Multiples of 12. 12, 24. And multiples of 36. Now you can see two common multiples, 36, 72. So we'll write two common multiples of 12 and 36 are 36 and 72. This is option number 1. And option number D, you see the numbers are given 7, 8 and 24. So we'll get the LCM of these three numbers, is it? Already you have learned in class 4. So 8, 1s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So what do you get the LCM? LCM is 8, 7s are 56, 3s are 168, is it? So you will write two common multiples of 7, 8 and 24 is 168, 168 into 2. So this gives you 168. $336. So either you find a least common multiple of all the numbers and then multiply with 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever they say, or you find the separate multiples and get it. It's up to you what you are going to use. I have no problem if you use first or the last. Both the options are taught. Why this option number D is taught? Because already you have learned how to get the LCM in class 4. So you can find it, is it? There is nothing, no confusion, no doubts I should think. I think you should have. So for today, you just leave it up to here. Next day we'll be solving next exercise. Till then keep practicing this. Thank you.